Today we're showing you a Farmall International 806 tractor. It's a two-wheel drive open station tractor. Tractor has 105 horsepower, has approximately 400 hours since the engine, TA, clutch were all redone. Tractor was traded in from a fella in Indiana who was using the tractor on a regular basis. Tractor's in nice shape for the age. Runs and works as it should with no known issues. It does have the set of front weights here, 8 front weights up front here. Sheet metal is pretty straight on the tractor. The paint is faded, as you can see. Tires are good, rims are good, bar axles on it. Got the dual rear remotes back here. Has both the 540 and the 1000 PTO shaft. Extendable 3-point arms. If you're looking for a solid older tractor, this might be a pretty nice fit for you. This is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will sell as is, where is. If you'd like to check the tractor out, come on in, feel free to do so. We do have over 100 tractors on our yard here. A nice mix of red, blue, orange, and green. You can check us out on the web at www.masttractor.com. Also, feel free to call us at 330-359-5405.